Hey everyone, so we are currently building the floor joist for the second story. Here is our cutting station. We cut up the 1x1 tubing into slanted pieces, or slanted ends like that one has. And also out here we have the ones with straight ends laying there on the pile. Here's where we're welding the floor joist together. They're 16 feet long, and then we put two together to make it 32 feet. This is only a fraction of the pieces we'll need. We'll need over 1,000, and that's around 150 to 180. So I'm gonna keep cutting, and let's get some more rafters done. Okay, so we just flipped it over, and I gotta weld all these again, everywhere. So I'm gonna see if I can do some more welding. So here's the stack of already completed ones. We just finished this top one, and we're gonna go home now. That truck we also just bought a week ago or so, 2011. A pretty good truck. We're gonna go home and have a bit of a vacation.